how to find your deleted story and posts on your Instagram account. Hello guys, how it's going today? I will teach you how to do this. Just make sure that you subscribe and you like this video. So let's start. The first step, guys, it's going to Instagram, then open it. After this, guys, when Instagram is opening, you will just go down and open here your profile. Then you will go at the top of the screen and click on this three line. Then you will go to your activity, and then you will go to recently deleted, and here you will find your deleted story or post on your Instagram. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel. See you next video.